Dance, Madison. Dance.
Madison,
Wow. Like and subscribe for that. It's another beautiful day here in Puerto Princesa. Nice clear skies, nice breeze, and somebody put diesel gas in our gas tank instead of regular gas. So temporary delay, they're gonna drain the gas tank and then put more gas back in, and then we'll be on our way to Isla Reina. Adventures on the island. Close. Alright, I think we are ready to go. Are we ready?
yeah!
We are going to meron pasalubong para sa'yo. Thank you po. Okay.
Nasa ilalim! Nasa ilalim! No use in complaining. Now I listen anyway. Why put up for tomorrow? What you can do today? So get up and shine. Yeah, you can make a change. If you refuse to move, life will always be the same. So why does it take so much to get by? Santan, and there is that your yan ang natin pakit. That's it.
The Cosmos.
Yellow
Okay.
one.
Alright. 1 hour drive. And we are in like the plant kingdom here for flowers. Yes.
Lima ko dyan.
Look at John.
Papa.
Oy, bulaklak. The Cosmos? The red?
Red or yellow? This is
The yellow.
Cosmos. But,
Yeah, the yellow.
There's there.
They have the red also?
Yeah.
Yep.
In the potting we buy.
Okay.
We buy and
Yep.
that's a red. Pink.
Yep, see the bees like it. Magkano para pusa?
Yeah, I think
Oh, okay, yeah.
it's a good one.
Yeah.
Pink
The
one.
pink, yeah. Red and like
White?
red and white.
What is yellow? It's okay.
Well,
Kaya nga, dun pa kami nang galing sa dulo. Galing pa yung kwento.
Okay.
Cosmos na lang natin.
okay. We need now is Cosmos.
Wala kayong, sayang pa to, we can plant this one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go. Mission accomplished. I just push them in there. Ay,
The smell.
Uy, so it's gonna smell like flowers and gasoline.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
We're
how.
ready to go back to Isla Reina. Ooh. Good morning. Rainy season is back. As you can see over there near the tower, the rains are starting to head this way, so we better feed some monkeys before we get rained on. Let's go. Bananas on the tree. Camera's rolling. I don't know what I'm doing. As soon as I got here, I just heard something just come slamming down to the ground. I don't know if that's Bob or Larry, but I think they're getting the idea whenever I'm here it's dinner time, so I better head back down the hill. Those guys are getting a little aggressive. Yeesh. These guys, they follow me everywhere I go in the jungle. These mynah birds. I don't know if they're curious or if they're warning everybody that I'm coming or what, but whenever I go into the jungle, those guys follow me. Even if I go all the way up to the hill, they're watching my every move. Speaking of watching, that rain's getting a little bit closer. We better get under the house for a while. Rainy season's back. Rada, you want to explain what those things are? What are those doing under my house? Why do you have puppies here, huh? Oh no, we got puppies. Gray puppies. Oh boy. Alright, we gotta figure out a couple names for these guys. Stubby and I don't know what this guy is. Weasel. Well, I guess since the rain's on its way again, you can see it over there, over the second mountain over there. I guess our outdoor activities have been postponed till further notice. So, we got other things to do indoors. Paint.
Don't you know what you're doing to me when you shake it out there? It's hard to believe.
There she is. That took a lot longer than I thought. Whew. Do I have any paint on me? No? No? Okay, good. All right, well, we're gonna go check out the waterfalls. We got Prada leading. Bear. Why is the chicken following me? That's kind of weird. Well, I was hoping the water would be falling. The monkey pool's got a little bit of water in it, but no waterfalls. So maybe a few more days of rain will change that. Guess we go to plan B. You done? Now we know we're not coming in here, right? Okay. Oh, you're a crybaby. Jeez. Go. You're supposed to be watching them. And action.
So guys, today we're going to be making this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for tomorrow to go to play. And to that secret pack.
Whoa.
Yes, likers and subscribers and YouTubers only. Okay.
Do it. Do what he says. He's the director.
YouTubers, like and subscribe. And also, hit the bell too if you want to go in there.
Hit that bell if you want to see the new videos.
Yep. Wait, pause the video, but that's not the end of the video.
Okay, pause the video. Alright, Nook Nook's having breakfast. Gigi did a great job planting all these flowers here. This guy over here, hey, that's a pretty one. Oh yeah. And the ones up front, there's a specific reason why I chose all these flowers. These flowers here are all great pollinators, and they're going to be great for beekeeping next year when we bring the beehives here. Well, since it's a little bit sunny out today, don't know if I can go down there or not, but I haven't shown you guys yet the ocean front, which is straight down the hill there. It's kind of hard to get to. There's a little area there to walk down. Let's see if we can make it down there without getting attacked by the waves. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, this is a slippery slope here. If I take another step, I'm going to slide like that mud is about as thick as oil. But you can get an idea what it looks like, the drop off there. And our beach is kind of rocky now that I see it. I'm going to have to clean up the plastic there. And it's high tide, the waves are crashing, so maybe we'll come back and look when it's low tide. A little less crazy seas. There's the house. Alrighty. Blah 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 blah. Rainfall warning. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, I think I figured it out. Winds just came. I just about got knocked out of my hammock. So we're on rain delay for now. Here it comes. Well, we're back at Rock Beach, or Left Tip Beach, whichever one you want to call it. Low tide, or at least going down to low tide. And this is about a halfway point. It's Monday, which means it's beach cleanup day. We've cleaned up all the way, oh well, missed a few there, but all the way to this point. Still got that far to go. There's this giant purple thing washed up on the beach. I wonder what that is. I don't think that's going to fit in a plastic bag. Alrighty, 2 more 55-pound bags and a little couple floaties. Souvenirs for me. And we're getting there, and it's raining, so time to head back. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags of plastic. Oh, please stop buying plastic water. It's a lot of work. And I'm going crazy because it's windy, it's wet, and I'm out of here. Good morning from from Serendipity, rainy, windy, wavy point. It rained buckets last night. That sounded like a deluge over the house. So when it rains that much, you know what I'm thinking? The monkey pool! And it's all mine. Woo, thank you, rainy season. Been looking forward to this for a long time. I know a lot of you guys are probably looking at this and saying, that doesn't really look like clean water. Well, this is as clean as it gets, because yesterday there was no water coming down from the waterfalls. Last night we had a big deluge, so the water came down from the sky, down the waterfalls. This is as fresh as it gets. That's what I'm looking at. Just enjoying. After a nice, cool, refreshing dip in the monkey pool, nothing like a rain-soaked, hello, squirrel, I guess. A little rain-soaked walk through the forest.
It's a good day to be alive. It's a good old day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good old day to be alive. Yeah.
So, and also make sure you go like and subscribe. This is the first video. On the second video, we're making the plushies.